Ta la 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 la. Oh, sweet, sweet harvest. Ta la 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 la. Ooh. Ta la 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 la. The benefits of staying in the countryside. All these fruits, passion fruits, were picked. This is an onion that was chopped the other day, and this is a half. It was so big, you know. But these are our passion fruits.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forevermore. Find my forevermore, the more. Through every storm, you're my guiding light. In your eyes I see the stars align. With you I'm whole, with you I'm complete. In your love my heart finds its beat. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forevermore. In your arms I feel alive. With you I soar and fly. A love story written in the skies. In your love my spirit flies. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love a love story in every storm. You're my guiding light. In your eyes I see the stars align. With you I'm whole, with you I'm complete. In your love my heart finds its beat. Love everyone, sweet love, it's you I dream in love. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love life finds its beat. Every warmth, it's you I dream in of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love my heart finds its beat. Love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above.
Oh well, probably you're new here and you're watching this for the very first time. My name is Lynette Lynn. I come from Uganda, East Africa, and currently I am in the western side of Uganda, where we do lots of farming, and our main staple food that we have in almost every homestead in the western region are banana plants, or what we call matooke. So we have like lots of plantain, sweet, but mainly to do with bananas. So right here I am cutting a banana, green banana, which is going to be our food tonight. We eat a lot of this because it is our staple food, and yeah, basically this is what we feed on. We grow our own food and we eat the very food that we grow, and we just buy a little bit just to supplement. But mostly the reason why we don't starve in my village is because we grow our own food. Yes, so we get them from the garden and cook, and yeah, life moves on. So Yeah, it's beautiful to live in the countryside because you are able to grow, harvest, and enjoy fresh foods. So, of course, here I am putting base for, the saucepan, because we are going to do pressed or mashed steamed matooke, green bananas, whatever you will call it, and this is how we prepare it. I'm just going to go through quick and fast, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're watching it for the very first time, please go ahead and subscribe. Road to 1000, and it's important for you to like, to comment, share, because that is the way you spread love, and that's how our family on this YouTube platform will grow. And I love you all.
First time.
Basically, here I'm pressing matooke, or our food was ready, so I have to press it and smash it. I don't know the right word in English of what I can use, but I was doing this exactly because that's how we do, and then you put it back into the saucepan for it to steam and be the best dish that you can serve to your family. So this is what I was doing, and this is how we prepare matooke in Western Uganda. As you can see, that's it. So you see,
Do without you.
this is a sweet yellow banana. It's going to be ready soon, and we're going to enjoy. This is the very better and good side of living in an African village. You get everything organic, raw, and we get this from our own plantation. Lord, I give you what I can today. Oh, woo! That was quick and fast. Yeah. What a beautiful life. Yeah, I don't know, banana. Yeah. God is not dead. He is alive. God's not dead. I'm feeling